In this video, we continue with portrait sculpting. Okay, my first step is to define the basic shape of the head. I start with the front view and cut out a rough shape using high polish brush. Second step is to draw guidelines, the middle line of the face, the eyes line, nose line, and so on. I also mark the width of the face where the planes will break. Now I define how my head should look like from the profile. I imagine a skull line and try to carve it out with a high polish brush. A third step is to work on plane transitions inside the face. I illustrate the major flow of planes. I introduce some volume to the face by cutting out the plane of a cheekbone and mouth, the nose, working on forehead and eyebrows transition. Defining the nose profile. I don't have a picture of how she looks from the side, so I'm just guessing and following my personal taste. I have in mind to make a neat, straight, Indian-looking nose. Now I added some subdivision levels. My whole mesh became polished. Again, I will cut with my favorite brush some very brute and broad planes. About the time to work on eye sockets, eyebrow bones, which smoothly will lead us to forehead adjustment. Logically, after forehead, we move down to nose appearance. From nose to cheekbones, which defines the width of the face. Slowly moving down to mouth and chin. I cut out the mouth line and start working on the bottom lip, which leads us to the step number 4, working on features. check how my planes work from the bottom view, making sure that all major curves are set up. Inserting a sphere for an eyeball. Later, I will replace them with another pre-made 3D model for eyes, but for now, spheres are just fine. I use curve strap snap for eyelids. Now the time has come to insert some ears. I use default ZBrush ears that could be found under Insert Body Parts mesh, then press M and choose the wanted part. Basically, we finished the most responsible part of sculpting, setting the base, our cage on top of which we will place all the small details. If this step was successful and right, the rest is just as easy as a piece of cake. Most of my analysis was done at the beginning. Now I can relax and concentrate on small details and forms. All is in place, so I'm not afraid of ruining the face likeness. Final step 5, the most pleasant one, polishing everything up, getting rid of all rigid edges, smoothing and blending the plane transitions. In future, I will return to the face and will make some adjustments. Also, we have a step of bump sculpting coming up, but for now, I can call my head finished. Here's how a head looks with the body. I return the head back to its origin position rotation. Check how it looks from side and front. In the next video, I will show how to simulate her outfit in Marvelous Designer. See you!